Look into your eyes.
А, да, упражнение хорошо, да?
What is up, you guys? It's good to see all of you beautiful, happy peeps here again today, smiling because it's Friday, you know it. Back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a photo shoot with the Canon EOS 250D SL3. We're going to be using the 50mm f1.8 prime lens. I know this is a setup that you guys are really into. Now, the cool thing is the model that we're going to be working with today, I actually met her last weekend when I was doing my other video, Photos with Strangers, if you saw it. And she was one of the people that I asked. So like, look at that. More friends, guys, out here making the world a smaller place. I know your mom said, don't talk to strangers, but I think you really should. The right ones anyway. So guys, it's really awesome when you, well, we already have a model that already knows what she's doing. She's doing the poses by herself, but more or less you can have a look and see what she's doing too. Stay like that, looking up, with the glasses off again. Yeah, not looking at me, looking towards this thing. Good done. Guys, just a tip, I'm using Aperture 2.8 right now, just so you're still going to get a blurry background, but I find if it's a little too low, like 1.4 or 1.8, it's going to focus on one thing, like her nose or something, so 2.8 is still going to give you the good. Do you mind sitting down?
Можно.
It's all good? Хорошо? Okay, cool. Actually, I have an idea, so if you sit on this step over here.
Точно засункой, смотри,
Yeah, okay, let's try and get this foot like in front of me. This one, perfect. Cool, and yes, stay like that, you're looking good.
Говори, когда на счет 3, чтобы, знаешь.
Actually, I like it with this background.
Так, сумки.
Yes, потому что люди здесь
Я
очень
знаю,
быстрые.
Она догадается, что мы позвали ее не пофотографироваться, а чтобы украсть ее сумку.
Не хочешь взять мою сумочку, с ней походить?
So people don't steal our stuff, you gotta be quick around here. Dan, say hi.
Yeah.
Yep. Yes. Okay. Or just yeah, perfect. Yes, actually. Look back at me, how you were. Just like head down a little bit, looks good. And hands, bring the hands down again.
Смотри, ты можешь стать опять же здесь.
Все хорошо?
Все отлично.
Как тебе съемка?
Отлично. Нравится очень. И отличное место.
Ей нравится съемка.
Все, мне очень нравится.
Если кто-то меня спросит, мне тоже нравится все.
Ему нравится больше моя сумка.
Это наша сумка.
Okay, yes. Cool. Now put this hand, stay there, but just put this hand back and sit. Looking back. Okay, yes. Watch it.
Это моя любимая растяжка, да?
Okay, can you stay like that? I want to try something. You're like, you know, workout toys and you don't упражнения тоже.
А, да, упражнение хорошо, да?
Okay, yes. They just,
Обалдеть.
man, they just look so damn good with the bridge and the.
To make our love bound to unfold. It's such a remedy, yeah, that your heart brings to my soul.
Не в камеру? Туда хочешь?
But you won't let me through your door. For such a long time, I've seen us struggle for truth, but you won't open up your eyes. Yeah, I wonder, this maze will just be endless. The tunnels have to keep.
Hey, guys! Guys, everybody know June?
Джун, про который мы сейчас говорили.
It's been so long.
Хорошо, ладно, мы пошли. Опа. Так, стоп. Господи, что только не наебут.
Yeah, perfect.
That your heart brings to my soul, yeah.
Лай-ла-лай, идем дальше. Та-ра-та-та.
Это я снял.
5 секунд, 5 секунд.
Да, да. И смотри, да, я.
Окей, я поняла.
Ты знаешь. Ты знаешь.